So hello guys, you might have seen my last video where we unboxed the whole Vigo tech from the back. Yes, no. And so it was a really good idea. You could see what happened. But if you've seen my last video, the memory card was so loose that it just came out. And if you want to look or take a closer look at the battery, here it is. Here it is. Here's a Vigo logo, Vigo back. And if you also want to take a closer look, you can see the Vigo. Oh my! I don't want vigotel.com. No, not 1,000. Okay, I think I'm gonna look around. Color back plus one. Black. Black. And green. And let's just put the battery back. Because if you have seen my last video, the questions were if you put the battery out of the case, you might explode. Why would he want to come back? Why would he want to come back? Why not sit later? So now we're gonna unbox the things. So you might have seen every phone has this clicky button. Bro, since this phone is broken, I click these like every day. I find this phone and I'm like clicking it. I'm clicking it like I'm playing some Fortnite. So we're gonna unbox and see if the keypad still has the clicky buttons. So first let's try to take the screen out. Back. I took get out. Wow. The keypad came out with it. And I lost. Where's the clicky buttons? Where's the clicky buttons? Where's the click it? Buttons? Click. Come on. I mean, if you squish it makes a good sound. But if you click it doesn't. Do these only work on these? Yeah. Look, they only work on these, do they? So you can figure out something. Wait, I think I figured out something. Okay, let's see if you. So, if you see what do you see? But some buttons, of course. If you click those buttons, they make the clicky sound. And okay, I think we got a screen protector, and we got something. Okay, I just want to see that nobody else would do this. That's offended. But the back has a code B163 8Z Y. B163 HDY. B163 HCY. Google, I wanted to see the code, not the entire script. We want to do this is a mobile, not a vehicle. Bro really thought. So it is really cool seeing this up close. Really cool. I don't think we can actually fix this phone again. No, we can't. Okay. That was really fun mocking it with you guys. Now this phone is broken and now I have to. Okay, we can also play Rushy with this. I'm gonna crack the screen or die. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.